A lot of homeowners aren't sure as they start thinking about selling what they should do to prepare their home, and we're here to help. Today, I am standing on a deck that has been sanded down and stained. We had a handyman friend of ours help these sellers get their home ready to sell, and this is one of the things that we put on the punch list when we went through the initial listing appointment and said, yeah, you know what, it probably makes sense to do this. The deck was in great condition. It just had gotten a little bit worn over the years. So a few hours of work and not a big spend. And we have this beautiful natural wood, recently stained deck. And it just helps the home show that much better. So what should you spend money on? Typically, you'd be surprised, it's not a lot. So it's important first and foremost that the home presents nice, neat, and clean. But as far as renovations or updates, the National Association of Realtors and the Home Builders Associations partner every year to kind of do an analysis on some of the major investments that homeowners make and how it impacts the sales price of their home. And really, there's only a handful of things that have a positive return for the money you invest. Those items are paint, new flooring where it's needed, refinished flooring. Would you believe that even finishing a basement, which adds square footage to your home, does not get a positive return? Now, there's some instances where maybe something on that list has a negative return, but your professional realtor will tell you this is going to be a pretty big issue for this home, so we think it makes sense to invest money into that. So an example of that might be an overly dated bathroom with wallpaper and fixtures, right? The wallpaper is, kind of addressed under the, we know it gets a good return paint category, but the rest of it, maybe a few fixtures, maybe some staging, will help improve that area with a very small investment. One of the things that we tell sellers all the time is when it comes to major renovations, like a full bathroom, kitchen, the answer is usually no, but we caveat that with how long are you planning on staying in the home before you sell, and would you enjoy the updates? If the answer is I'm going to stay here for a little while, and yeah, I'd like my new kitchen, then go ahead and get that new kitchen. Just try to keep it in the aesthetic that's popular today, not too wild or personalized. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you'd like more help thinking about how to prepare your home to sell, slide into our DMs or give us a call.